Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And for my new subscribers, you are all welcome. This is the hairstyle you guys will be seeing, as in this lovely fake ponytail. Can you see guys? Just stay tuned and let's get started for the tutorial. First thing, you achieve the hairstyle on a clean hair. So after, when you're done with the washing, you go ahead and you begin to section the hair using circular method. Can you see guys? So you just section it, depend on how you want the hair to be full. Like you want it to look more natural, you bring more hair at the front, then you secure that one at the front, the circular one, you secure it not to affect the other one you want to braid at the middle. Can you see, as I'm braiding it, you just secure it by braiding it, or you just use rubber band to secure it, but I'm just weaving it so that I don't want anything to disturb me while I'm trying to fix the middle part. Can you see guys? Now when you are done securing that part, then you go to the middle one and you begin to cornrow the middle part. As you can see, you just cornrow the middle parts. If you like, you can add extension, but it is more advisable for you to add a little extension in case your client wants to lose the hair, so that mistakenly they won't cut the hair off as they are trying to remove the braid. So guys, like when you add attachments to it, when you added a little extension, so you won't mistakenly cut off the natural hair while you are trying to loosen the hair. So guys, you add little attachment to it, little extension to secure the natural hair from breaking while you're trying to loosen it. That's the reason why you had a little extension. So guys, you begin to braid it. You start from the side. Can you see? Don't make the hair too tight. I keep saying it in all my videos. Just make sure you hold it firm. Can you see? Hold it firm, not too tight. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, can you see? So when you are done with the weaving aspects, when you are done unrolling the braid, can you see guys? You just secure the tip by using your crochet pin just to secure it, and if you wish, you can use needle and thread just to secure the left tip. Can you see guys? So now when you are done braiding it, you just go ahead and you apply your oil to moisturize the scalp. You can apply the oil while you are done with the cornrow. Can you see guys? Then you begin to fix the hair with your needle and thread. So this particular hair that my client is using is not 100% human hair. She just try to fix something and to make it look natural. The hair is semi natural. Can you see guys? So you begin to sew it using your needle and thread. So while you're trying to fix it up, you sew it. Then when you get to the tip, the edge of it, you turn it over. Then you keep fixing it. Can you see guys? Please don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and if the video is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So now I'm almost done with the fixing part. Can you see guys? I'm almost done. So it depends on how your client wants it. This particular one, my client doesn't want it to be too flat. She wants it to be a little bit high. Can you see? So when you look at this front part, you can see that it's not looking flat. Can you see? So when you are done fixing it, you just go ahead and you blow dry the hair. So you blow dry the hair so that it be more easier for you while you're trying to use straightener to stretch out the hair to make it look neat and beautiful. Can you see, guys? So when you're done, you just go ahead and you begin to use your straightener to stretch out the hair to make it neat. Can you see, guys? So now I'm done with the blow drying. Then you lose the one you braid aside. Then you apply your shea butter. After applying the shea butter, you begin to section it small. Then you stretch it over the one you fix at the middle so that the hair will blend together and it will make it look natural. Can you see? Be careful where you're trying to use straightener so that you won't burn your client's hair. Can you see? So after stretching it out, you use your take home to smoothen it together. That's how you keep going. Can you see? So when you are done stretching the hair, you use your brush to brush it up so that the whole hair will mingle and it will blend all together. Can you see, guys? So when you are done, you just brush it very well. Then you try to pack it up. If you want to style it, you can style it like center parts, side part, but this particular one she just wants it like that. So you take small from the hair, then you use it to wrap it to make the finishing look neat and beautiful. Can you see how I'm wrapping it? So this one, no gel is added to this particular ponytail. That's why we said it's fake ponytail. When you are done, you go ahead and you control the edges if necessary. And I'm almost done. Can you see, guys? You take your time to control the edges. And this is the final look of the hair. You go ahead and you spray the hair nova spray. Yep, I'm done with this lovely fake ponytail. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love the video. Can you see? And if the video is helpful, let me know in the comment section, guys. So this is the final look of the fake ponytail. My client is in love with her hair. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.